Let me open up a different spreadsheet, in this case sales by country, and I'm going to choose to edit it in the browser. A second ago we were viewing something in the browser. Now I want to edit it in the browser, and you'll see the ribbon exists in the web applications. If you know the rich client, you know the web applications, just like you know SharePoint. Bottom right-hand corner, can you see this? It says 2 people are editing the spreadsheet. Right there. Someone else has opened this spreadsheet, a guy named Jim Daly, and Jim's going to make some changes while I make some changes. I'm going to make this $100, and I'm going to make the $100 yellow. And you'll notice as I do that, Jim is also making something yellow. He made the 7,700 change, and he made that yellow. Let me go ahead and make my change a different color. So we're working on this at the exact same time. We can see each other. We can modify this together. It makes it very easy to collaborate in new ways. We'll see the spreadsheet again in just a moment. I mentioned that working with others and sharing with other people was a key design goal for Office 2010. PowerPoint introduces one of the most popular features we've seen on the beta, and that's broadcasting your slideshows over the internet. We've added this button right here to broadcast. Now anybody, I'll click Start Broadcast, anybody with an internet connection and a browser can participate in my slideshow. I can copy this unique URL, which we generate every time you click Broadcast, or I can send it in email to somebody else. In this case, I'm going to send it off to Jim Daly and hit the Send button. And now watch this. When I start my slideshow, it shows up in PowerPoint, as I'd expect. I'll go ahead and use the Windows 7 Snap feature to snap PowerPoint on the left-hand side. And I'm going to pretend like I'm a different user using the browser. And I'm going to snap the browser to the right-hand side. And then I'm just going to paste in that URL. And sure enough, it brings up PowerPoint in the browser. So on the left, I'm broadcasting from PowerPoint, the rich client. And on the right, I could be using Safari on the Mac, Firefox, IE, whatever. When I click to advance my slides as the presenter, everybody who's watching along in the browser gets to see that broadcast over the internet live, sort of real time as we're doing it. So very simple to share your presentations across the PC and the browser. Now let's take a look at the phone. I mentioned we were talking about PC, phone, and browser, the 3 devices we think just about everyone wants to use. I'm excited to announce that today, the Office mobile applications are available for Windows Mobile 6.5. You can go up to the marketplace and download them. They're done. But I'd love to show you a Windows Phone 7 device and show you what Office looks like on this device. So that's what I have right here. And you see I have a cable connected to the device. And so you can see on the big screen what I'm actually seeing right here. So I'm going to check my email just by clicking the email button. You can follow along on the screen. I'm going to refresh my email. And that shows me the mail from Dan Jump that I just sent. I'm going to click on that. Sure enough, there's the URL. Click on the URL. And now I'm going to flip it into landscape mode. And you can see that slide being broadcast. On the big screen, we're actually going to show you the PC, the phone, and the browser all at the same time. And now I'm going to click in PowerPoint. And sure enough, you see it update across the PC, phone, and browser. We're very, very excited about delivering these types of capabilities to end users around the world because we think it's a new level of productivity. Let's take another look at some of the things on the phone, if we can switch back and bring that back on the big screen. I'm going to hit the Windows button. One of the things we're really excited about is the Office Hub, which is built into Windows Phone 7 devices. I'll click on Office, and sure enough, I see OneNote. Taking notes on your phone is becoming a very common scenario. So having a rich note-taking application right on the phone is something we're excited about. I swipe to the left, and I have the ability to create Excel and Word and PowerPoint documents. I swipe to the left again, and we've connected this phone to our SharePoint infrastructure. So I'm already connected to that exact same document library that I've been working on for the past 15 minutes or so. There are all those same documents we were working on. When I click on Sales by Country, it'll open up the document that's actually on the phone, and it'll check to see if there's a new version on the server. I say, yes, I want to see the new version, and this is the one that me and the other person were working on together. I scroll over, you can see the green and the yellow. Those are the updates we made 5 or 6, whatever, 10 seconds ago on the PC and the browser. So 20 minutes, super fast run-through of a whole bunch of different capabilities. I hope you get the notion that we've really strived to build the best productivity experience on the PC, the phone, and the browser, and to deliver the cloud on your terms. You